Hello everybody, this is KrypticNexus, and today we are looking at Silicon Devices 150 watt power inverter, DC to AC inverter. And on the box we have energy efficient, 90% efficient, low heat dissipation, low voltage protection, high voltage protection, short circuit protection, overload, overheat, and USB output, TV, radio, phone, tablet, yay, 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 12 volt DC in, 110 volt out, and on the back, precautions, please check DC source and make sure that it is blah. Okay. So, yeah, let's check it out. Box is fairly heavy for being as small as it is. Open. Open. Says I, damn it. I, damn it. Oh, I'm in 4K mode. Oh well. Oh, this will get downsampled to 1080p. Yay! Oh, and there is a piece of paper in there. So there is our specifications. Okay, it says 90% efficient, but here it says greater than 85. Okay, whatever. Anything else? Features, applications, blank, installation, environments. Okay, that's not nearly as amusing as this. So, is there a fuse? Let's see if it's fused. Come on. Hold on. Okay, so it is not fused. So yeah, that's frankly not good to me. Alright, so maybe there's a fuse inside. So here we have our 110 and 2 amp and 1 amp DC out, cooling fan, and a couple screws. Let me get them out of there. Okay. Whoop. I just took a picture. Cool. So that was a pain in the dick. So, yeah, we have all these screws that had to come out. 2 seals. But here we go. So we have our power coming in. Yes, we do have a fuse right there. There is our fuse. Sadly, non-user replaceable. That's kind of dick. And it's just a standard automotive fuse. Why couldn't they just put that on the outside of the device? It's a 25 amp standard automotive fuse. Again, put it on the outside of the device. That way if it pops, we can fucking change it. Anyways, tons and tons of little switching and stuff going on in here. So, I would guess this would be our USB port, transformer, a couple diodes, actually maybe a bridge rectifier right there, because there's 4 diodes. So that would be, you know, if they're in the correct position, that would be a bridge rectifier. Anyways, high voltage transformer changes 12 volts to 120 volts, or 110 volts. Here is our 2 MOSFETs, I would guess. Let's see. These were thermally bonded to the case. So whoever the F company is, FHP 100 No 7, 100N07 or FD86, and we have 2 of those packages. And then these were all not connected to the side of the case, and they are, oh, come on. Come on, focus. F6X6, and I can't read the bottom code. Let's try to move it just a little more. Autofocus, no. It says 670. Yeah, there you go, you can see it now. We have 2 caps, or actually 3 caps. We have, oh, what's this one? Hanhong, Huahong, Loser. What capacity is it? It is a 2,200 microfarad at 16 volts. And then we have a 22 microfarad, 25 volts. Or, sorry, 250 volt? Yeah, 25 microfarad, 250 volt. Capacitor, NTC. Board says NTC2. So, NTC. LED. So, inductor. Whoop. Staring at my hand. Inductor, capacitor, LED. So that's voltage dropping there. The power socket plugs in right there. Notice it does not have a ground. So, yeah, the ground is just open. It's not grounded to the ground of the vehicle, which is kind of, I don't know. But anyways, hopefully you like this teardown. It's an interesting little device. Big, 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 big ground planes. Look at that. But, yeah, very, very interesting. I did get this silicone device for free, or no. I don't think it did. Either way, I got it either for free or at a discount to do this review, or a review. Actually, it's just a teardown, I think. Once I get it back together, and I think I'm going to replace the thermal pads, and this just... Nah. Anyways, I'm going to replace this and get it back to bond it to the side, and get that bar back in holding them. So that's going to be fun. Anyways, you have a good day, and I will see you later. Or you'll see me later. Yeah. Bye.